Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my latest Moonshine Mani haul, and this started out, I had to go get the Friends collection, and since I got in on the first weekend it was for sale, I paid for 4 of the collection, and then I got a bonus polish. All of these polishes are still available. So these 5 are Friends inspired polishes. You guys know I can't say no to anything related to Friends. And then while I was there, I also picked up the latest 2 in the Project Dupe. So we have No Tears Left to Cry, and that's from Mermaid's Tears from OPI, and then A Starry Night is Born, which was A Starry Starry Night by Essie. And then here we go with the Friends polishes. Your Money's Mine Green, Insane, and then I'm going to go get one of those job things. And then Must Mock Joey. Look at that glitter shimmer in there. Look at that. And then next is I Can't Believe He Remembered. If you're a Friends junkie, oh, look at that. You'll know what these are referencing. And this is one of my favorites. I wish I could, but I don't want to. Lovely. That's going to look so pretty in the fall. I can just see that over all kind of like oxblood colors and stuff. Oh, that looks so pretty. And I didn't really give you a close-up of the No Tears Left to Cry and A Starry Night. Those are stunning. So I'm going to pop out my swatch wheel and we're going to swatch these. Alrighty, here we go with Your Money's Mine Green. Love that dusty blue. Oh, that's so pretty. All those flakies. Your Money's Mine Green. And then next is gonna go get me one of those job things. Oh, wow. Oh, I hope y'all can see how gorgeous that, oh, that's stunning. And then we've got Must Mock Joey. I'm trying to make sure I get some of that polish off the brush so I don't get globby. This is crazy. Oh, the shimmer totally jumps off. Oh, I hope y'all can see the shimmer. Oh, I love Phoebe's polishes. And then next is I Can't Believe He Remembered. Oh, the shimmer in there is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love it. And then I wish I could, but I don't want to. I freaking love this. Oh, how pretty. Y'all know I'm into this right now. I don't know what's got me so drawn, but I'm there. And then, oh my gosh, looking at the viewfinder, it's, oh my god, freaking me out. So, and then we got No Tears Left to Cry. Now, I don't have the mermaid tears or whatever, and I'm okay with that because I have Phoebe's, and it's got a really great formula. And then I do have this Essie one, but I'm not going to break it out and compare them. I'm just going to swatch what Phoebe has done here with A Starry Night is Born. Okay. I can already tell y'all the formula is perfect on this one, and I actually prefer it. It's been a long time since I broke the other one out, but that's perfect. Alright, we're going to whip back around here and do a second coat. Oh, that's like the perfect, like dark denim blue and then flakies. Oh, craziness. I'm telling y'all, I'm in love. And this one, gonna go get one of those job thingies. I've got to wear this one soon. This is, I know it's not really technically a summer color, but I don't care. It does what I want. Let's go. Colleen taught us. does what you wants, y'all. Look at that. Wow. And then Must Mock Joey. Now, this was totally a summer color. And I do want to get this in on the nails before the season is over. Oh, wow. And I love her formulas. They're just, typically they're can be on the thick side, but I've talked about it before. I would rather have a polish that's a little thick than thin. It's a little easier to control. But hers, even though they're thick, they level out beautifully. Look at that. I mean, you can watch it happen while you're painting. Okay, I can't believe he remembered right here. And then, I wish I could, but I don't want to. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's so pretty. Oh, my gosh. I don't even have words for that one. And then No Tears Left to Cry. That is such a beautiful, like, sage green. I really like that. And look at that formula. You'll see it just levels out gorgeous. No brush strokes, nothing. And then A Starry Night is Born. This one might need a third coat. Another coat. Wow. Stunner. That is absolutely great. Alright, so I'm going to let these dry. I'm going to do a third coat on this one. I'm going to top coat them, and then I'm going to get photos of all of them at the end, swatch photos, so that y'all can see. And I'm going to back this out so we can get like a look at them. There we go. How pretty. So we're going to wrap this up here. I hope you enjoyed this swatches. Like I said, when I buy stuff myself, I'm probably going to swatch them on the swatch wheel, but if something's sent for review, I definitely do those on my natural nails. I know as a YouTube watcher myself, I do prefer to see swatches on natural nails, or, you know, on a hand, you know, not, they could be acrylic nails, gel nails, I don't care, but I like to see them, you know, attached to a hand. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about these. And if you've picked them up, or you're thinking about picking them up, or any of them, leave me a comment. Talk to me. I love to hear from you. So that is it. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.